Welcome to PLP. This video covers the installation of armor rods. Conductor preparation. Wire brush the location where the armor rods will be placed to ensure that the surface is free of dirt or oxidation. This is especially important if being placed on an existing conductor or for repair application. For repair applications, please apply a gridded inhibitor on the conductor. The inhibitor should be applied for the full length of the armor rod. Mark where the center of the rods will be on the conductor. Rod subsetting. You can subset the rods before applying to the conductor for ease of installation. To do so, hold the rods flat at the center mark before twisting into a subset. You can subset anywhere from 3 to 5 rods depending on the size of the armor rod. Note, do not apply more than half the number of rods at one time. And on conductors 4/0 and greater, do not attempt to apply more than 4 rods at a time. Make sure the rods are even. Then place the center mark of the rods on the mark on the conductor. Apply at least 1 wrap on each side of the center mark. Repeat this with all rods and subsets until all the rods are on the conductor. With a firm twist, snap the ends into place and make sure every rod is snapped into place completely. Note, check to make sure that all rod ends are within 2 inches of each other. Remove and reapply any rod that exceeds this limit. This completes the application.